Hey, it's me. I just wanted to do an update real quick. It's not been great over here. In Amandaville, wherever I live. I've been getting sick and been getting rashes and have eaten horribly. Go figure, it's me. I'm actually relapsing quite a bit. And it's not fun. I'm getting more into purging and more into just not really caring what I'm putting into my body. I've been on a diet of gummy bears, gummy worms, and Cheetos. And purging. So yeah, that's where I'm at on that. I've been clean and sober for going on 5 months on the 14th. What else? I've gotten 2 more tattoos. You're seeing one of them. It says trust in a bird. So I got that, and then I got that one which says serenity. You can't really say it, but whatever. And I got this shirt today. What else? I lost a little bit of weight, not a lot, but a little bit. Enough to make me uncomfortable and to make me excited all at the same time about losing weight. I have a whopping fever blister right here. There it is, and that one's coming. What else? I got my meds today. Yay, meds. I'm still living in the same house. I'm living with a friend, in case you didn't know. I just now got this iPod because my other one got lost somehow in my mom's house. Either that or she's refusing to give it to me, so I just went out and bought a new one. I have a job. I'm a waitress. I suck at being a waitress. What else? I've been having sex, a lot more sex lately. That's been my way of coping. Well, another way. What else? I don't really know what else to tell you. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. If you have any questions or anything, shoot. And I'll be on here more often because I have this thing. So, yeah. Anyway, I hope you're having a good day, and I'll talk to you soon.